Say goodbye to AI-generated logos. No more subscription traps. No more stock designs. It's time for exclusive, human-designed logos. Designs just for you. Your business begins with a dream, and every dream deserves a logo that's truly yours. Feeling stuck? Welcome to My Brand E, where every logo is as unique as the story behind it. Every great brand starts with a powerful logo. With My Brand E, you're just a few clicks away from owning a design that's as unique as your story. Your logo is waiting. Start today and make it yours before it's gone. Start by telling us about your business. Share your business name, industry, and the vibe you want your logo to capture. It's as easy as typing a few words. You can also specify your preferred logo style. Click Create My Logo. Browse through our exclusive hand-picked designs. Each logo is designed by world-class designers and is sold only once. That's right. Once a design is purchased, it's gone forever. Once you've chosen your logo, preview how it looks in real life. Want to tweak it? Use our easy-to-navigate editing tool to modify shapes, tweak colors, adjust fonts, and rearrange elements to match your vision. But remember, every design is ready to shine as it is. When you purchase, you can continue editing and updating your logo whenever needed. Once your logo is selected, download it instantly. You'll receive high-quality files ready for all your branding needs, from websites to print materials. Start your logo journey today. Someone else might love your favorite logo just as much as you do. Your perfect logo might not be there tomorrow.